Antarctica, the icy continent at the world's end, holds a fascination like no other. Over the years, it has sparked tales of hidden civilizations, extraterrestrial encounters, and secret Nazi bases. Recent advancements in technology have only deepened the mystery, unveiling anomalies beneath the ice that defy explanation. Join us on Fact Epics as we explore the hidden civilization of inner Earth suddenly found in Antarctica. A never-before-seen ecosystem lurks in an underground river deep below the icy surface in Antarctica. Researchers recently brought this hidden world into the light, revealing a dark and jagged cavern filled with swarms of tiny shrimp-like creatures. Apparently, the governments of the United States of America and Russia have been keeping what Antarctica really is top secret, as both countries have known what is really going on, but they have never spoken out until now. After more than a decade of stop-and-go drilling, Russia pierced through Antarctica's frozen crust last year and took back samples of water from a vast lake that has lain untouched for at least 14 million years. Scientists say the icy darkness of Lake Vostok, under some 12,139 feet of ice, may provide a glimpse of the planet before the Ice Age and clues to life on other planets. Russia recently revealed that there is another continent hidden under the ice in Antarctica, and many people think that this is where an ancient civilization that fell lies. Satellite photos showed an unusual groove in the ice shelf close to where it met with the land, and researchers identified the peculiar feature as a subsurface river, which they described in a statement. The team drilled down around 1,640 feet or 500 meters below the ice's surface, using a powerful hot water hose to reach the underground chamber. When the researchers sent a camera down through the icy tunnel and into the cavern, hundreds of tiny, blurry flecks in the water obscured the video feed. Initially, the team thought their equipment was faulty, but after refocusing the camera, they realized that the lens was being swarmed by tiny crustaceans known as amphipods. This caught the team off guard, as they had not expected to find any type of life this far below the icy surface. This is what has been said to be what has attracted the interest of some of the great leaders. Now, Antarctica has a ban, and people are wondering why the governments chose to keep what is an important discovery top secret. Russian scientists then found hundreds of lakes underneath the ice of Antarctica. These are not frozen as you would have thought, but they contain fresh water that has been isolated away for more than 10 million years. The scientists drilled down through the ice and reached the biggest of the lakes, and this is said to have taken them 10 years. An elevator has now been installed in the hole, and it took a team of 8 underneath the ice of Antarctica and reveal the lakes that were hidden. After excluding all known contaminants, bacterial DNA was found that does not match any known species in world databases. Sergei Bulat of the St. Petersburg Nuclear Physics Institute told RIA, "If it means the bacteria had been found on Mars, then without a doubt we would have said there is life on Mars, but this is DNA from Earth," he said. "We are calling this life form unidentified or unclassified." Scientists from the United States and Britain are close on Moscow's heels to probe what life may exist in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. This year, the United States expedition said they had seen living cells under a microscope in field samples taken from the shallower subglacial Lake Whillans, but more study is needed to determine what kinds of bacteria they are and how they live. A British effort to reach a third body, Lake Ellsworth, was called off in December because of problems drilling. What life is found in the icy depths may provide the best answer yet to whether life can exist in the extreme conditions on Mars or Jupiter's moon Europa. The Russian discovery came from analyzing water that froze onto the end of the drill bit used to bore through to Vostok, the largest of a network of hundreds of lakes under the ice cap that acts like a blanket trapping the Earth's geothermal heat. Bulat and other members of Russia's Antarctic mission could not be reached for comment by Reuters on the following day. But Bulat said that scientists are waiting for more samples from the lake to confirm their discovery. Because of the technology used to keep from polluting the pristine lake, Russia will only obtain clean water samples, uncontaminated by drilling fluid, for analysis later this year. To answer concerns kerosene and antifreeze from the borehole would seep into the lake, Russian engineers withdrew the drill to allow the water to percolate up into the borehole and freeze there, only returning this year to collect it. But Bulat said the unknown microbes were found after separating out species of bacteria that are known to exist in the drilling fluid. Frozen samples from deeper in the borehole collected during this year's Antarctic summer season in February are now being carried back by boat and are due in St. Petersburg in May. Russian researchers plan to continue exploring with robotic equipment that will collect water samples and sediments from the bottom of the lake, a project still awaiting the approval of the Antarctic Treaty Organization. Drilling in the area began in 1989 and dragged on slowly due to funding shortages, equipment breakdowns, environmental concerns, and severe cold. The lake's crystal-clear water may make entrepreneurs sweat just thinking of its commercial potential. But Valery Lukin, the head of Russia's Arctic and Antarctic Research Institute, shot that idea down. He said his team had no intention of selling any Vostok water samples, but would eventually share the results of their work with scientists from other nations. What do you think about this astonishing discovery? Could it be the key to unlocking the secrets of our past? Or does it open the door to even more mysteries? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in to Fact Epics. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest in space and science discoveries. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars.